Hey guys, Project Lex, and today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your Apple AirTag. You'll need, surprise surprise, an Apple AirTag and a replacement battery, which is a CR2032. Let's get into it. So first things first, press down on the cover and then twist it anti-clockwise. And it'll just pop off like that. Take the old battery out. Install the new battery, positive side facing up, which is indicated by the plus symbol. Then to reattach the cover, line up the 3 tabs on the cover with the 3 slots on your AirTag and press down. Just put that battery in. If you heard that little sound there, that's just the AirTag indicating that the battery is connected. And to reattach it, just twist it clockwise until it stops. And that's it. Super simple, guys. Be sure to check out my other videos, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.